Alrighty, so my name's Kevin O'Connor. I work for the Office of Experiential Learning.
Hi, my name is Jackie Wallace, and I work for Career Services. And I'll introduce you to our team. But really, the focus is looking forward and how we're here to help support you dream big. Here's our dream team in Career Services. And we have Gary Morris, who's our director, as well as the current career coach for the business career community. You'll notice that our office specializes in career communities, so that way we can assist you throughout the process, whether you're exploring what to do and where you want to go, to gaining experiences, and work collaboratively with our experiential learning teams to then how to be competitive and how to articulate all the amazing things you're doing. So we work with students, alumni, as well as our employer network and campus partners as well. So my career community is exploratory and undeclared. Kate George is our career coach for STEM and healthcare. Actually joins us from Casanova College, was a director there too before coming to Oswego. Megan Mazzacone is our career coach for communication, media, and arts. Actually joins us from industry. She was in theater as well before coming back and teaching as an adjunct and then joining our team. Kevin Backman is our career coach for education, public and human service fields. Actually just came back to the US after teaching English in Japan for the last 5 years or so. And our team actually are made up of all alumni, which is unique to us. You don't have to be an alumni to work for our office, but we came back because we love this community and supporting students and alumni as they are navigating their career readiness and expanding their opportunities. So just going to highlight some major programs and services that we offer. We have a lot of programs and events. Some happen virtually, which you can find all of our events posted in Handshake, as well as the events calendar on campus, Laker Life, which is the hub for clubs and organizations, as well. And then you'll see that we have a major event coming up if you go into career, if you go under Handshake, under fairs. We have the Career and Internship Fair happening next Wednesday. We had a major minor fair this fall, for example, for folks that are still exploring what they want to study at Oswego. But we'll have a healthcare career mixer. An etiquette dinner is coming up called Table Talk. This past January, we had a New York City Career Connection. So not just events that are on this campus, but elsewhere. And then folks for the teacher candidates, we have a teacher recruitment event happening at SUNY Portland's campus coming up March 20th. So all those events are located in Handshake if you wanted to learn more. Handshake is one of those resources we talk a lot about. You can get in and customize your profile as well as make appointments with a career coach, connect to our career communities, as well as resources and our employer network on and off campus. But if you go to our website, which you'll see at the end of the PowerPoint, it's just oswego.edu/career services. There's a lot of resources, whether you're exploring, what kind of popular careers are related to different degree programs offered at Oswego, or you're interested in seeing how to connect and grow and gain experience. You'll notice a lot of great resources, including opportunities to market yourself. So we have virtual and in-person drop-ins as well as appointments for folks to update their resume, the cover letter, so all things you need if you're applying to internships or jobs on and off campus. We host a number of opportunities to connect with career coaches as well as our career peer interns for assistance, writing a cover letter, applying and finding opportunities, articulating your skills in an interview process, negotiating a salary. So anything career related, whether you're jumping on and networking even on LinkedIn, we're here to support you. So check out all that we have to offer on the website based upon kind of where you're at in the process, and then start to connect with our office and our services. This is just a glimpse of the opportunities to network and build those connections. Some of these photos are down from our New York City Career Connection event. Other are on campus. Mock Interview Palooza is coming up even for the School of Business. So there's lots of highlights in this PowerPoint showcasing kind of where we're at across campus and throughout the state as well. And know that while you are engaging in your degree program, the projects and the research and all the cool things you're doing in and outside the classroom, whether you get involved in internships and research and all of the cool things that Kevin's going to talk about, you're really building up the key competencies that employers are looking for. Focusing in on leadership and teamwork and critical thinking skills. Being able to focus on continued professional development is also something employers are looking for. Adaptability when it comes to technology, and professionalism, equity, inclusion, and building competency in those space are all things that employers are looking for. So we're here to help you look at the experiences and skills that you already have and how you continue to grow them and how to articulate these in a meaningful way. So whether you even have a background in food service, how do you take that experience and think about, all right, yeah, I did a lot of problem solving in this experience, a lot of relationship building, when you think about that customer service. So a lot of your experiences, whether it's directly related or not to where you want to go, you can really think about the skills that you build, and we help you do that as well. And then I'm going to turn the mic over to Kevin.
Alrighty, this is the Experiential Learning Dream Team. So we have our director, Mallory Bauer, Tina Cooper, who is our associate director now, and then Morgan Buchanan, internships coordinator, Jennifer Joyce, who's in charge of service learning, and then I'm there with our Focus Forward coordinator. So we offer a bunch of different things. We have a very wide realm of what we do, as you could see. A big part of our team is internships and co-ops. So you'll see that you can do any internship, any co-op, whether you're online, whether you're on campus, it's open for anybody. Student employment's another part of our offices where we will get you set up to work if you want to work on campus, which if you're not on campus, we could still maybe figure out something or a way to help you reach that career goal. We also do service learning, which, for example, what I coordinate is a Focus Forward program. We go into the schools, we work academically, we work socially with students to help them build those academic skills while you're also gaining those career skills for whether you want to be a teacher, whether you go into psychology, all different fields.
And what's nice is that so many great diverse ways of gaining academic credit towards your degree program. So GST stands for General Studies. Is that correct, Kevin?
Correct.
So it doesn't necessarily have to be like you're a psych major, a psych, PSY. Take a look at some of those general education courses and general studies courses because you'll see alignment there too. So many great opportunities to gain experience. So co-op is that 6-month paid job that you usually attach to the end of your degree program, which is a great foot in your door to an organization. Experiential learning is a part of your class schedule. For example, you're earning credits while you're doing that, though you can do it in the summer and winter break and stuff too. So there's a slide here just showcasing folks out in the field on and off campus and their experiences. And so we're going to take you to the websites at the end of the presentation and show you how to connect with us as well, because there's drop-ins and opportunities to make appointments to really explore what experience looks like for you. It doesn't have to be an internship. It doesn't have to be a co-op like, Kevin said. It could be getting involved in your community, working on a project for like a nonprofit organization while earning academic credit too. So you'll find that the Experiential Learn team also works very closely with faculty, sponsors, and our employers as well in these spaces. So if you haven't already, I would encourage folks to get on a Handshake to customize your profile so they're receiving information that's directly related to your career interests. Like I said, you can connect with your career coach, or it used to be the Excel team, now Experiential Learning team, to explore, build your network, gain experience, successfully compete for internships and jobs, whether you're on and off campus, connections with our employer network. You can set up alerts for different organizations. So knowing if they're going to come to a career fair coming up, you'll get alerted for that. But check out a lot of the opportunities that are there. It might be hosted by SUNY Oswego. It might be hosted by your employer network too. So there's so many events happening all the time through our network. And just to let you know, we do have drop-ins as well. So if you're on campus, we do have drop-ins Monday through Friday this spring, 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. for assistance with the resume, cover letter, getting onto LinkedIn. Our photo booth is there. But you can also make appointments to do virtual appointments or even in-person appointments as well. So we will be hiring again for interns for the fall. So our social media is run by some amazing team members as well. That are paid interns. So Career Services is on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Experiential Learn now it's no longer Oz Excel, it's Oz Experience. Also Tina Tuck's internships, and I think Mo has one too. So internships with Mo. You can find some really cool curated content too on SUNY Oswego Career Services YouTube, whether you're looking for information on different types of career fields. We've had panels of different employers, or you're looking at navigating the job search space based upon different identities. We have videos that highlight that, as well as our LinkedIn collaborations we've done in the past that talk about how to customize your profile and network on that space. So check out the SUNY Career Services LinkedIn as well if you haven't already. We post once or twice a week there, opportunities and as well as some great content and how to build competencies. But our emails are careerservices@oswego.edu. Is it still excel@oswego.edu or is it experience at Oswego?
I believe it's
Or does both
experience.
work? You'll get them either way. In both of the websites, you can reach us at oswego.edu/career services. And I know that oswego.edu/Excel still works, and it'll redirect you to the Experience page. And of course, don't forget to get on to Handshake. And one takeaway too I wanted to put out there is that everything the Career Services Office does, we do for life. There's a lot of support too. You'll see a lot of collaboration between experiential learning and career services as well, including the upcoming career and internship fair. There's an opportunities fair the following week for folks that are looking for experiences on campus. So March 12th, I'll put a plug in for that after that as well. So highlighting just a couple things on the Career Services website. If you are really focusing on exploring, we have a number of resources on our career exploration page, whether you want to take a step back and think about your interest, strengths, values, explore different degree programs or opportunities to connect and think about how that relates to your career. We have career communities so that you can even look at industry, career community specific resources. And then learn a little bit more about self-assessments, you know, whether you're exploring or just want more information how to articulate your strengths to a future employer in an interview. These are great for just knowing self even more. And so another great opportunity to connect is that we have alumni that enjoyed us on campus or even virtually through Pizza with Professionals. We've done test drives, which is taking folks off campus to different sites. So even if you're joining us from like Auburn, for example, and want to meet us at the correction facility, you know, we'll have an event coming up for criminal justice folks. We also have a great program called Alumni Sharing Knowledge. So if you want to connect with a mentor, you're welcome to do that as well. And then another great way to learn about career fields, informational interviewing and such too. And we have close to 60,000 alumni on LinkedIn alone. So I highly encourage folks, if they're not already on LinkedIn networking, that's a great space to really focus. So you can connect with Jackie Wallace, for example. Are you on LinkedIn too, Kevin?
I am as of officially last month.
No, there you go. So you can connect with both of us. So you just expanded your network by joining the presentation tonight. So connect with us there. And then a couple of things just want to showcase that you can utilize. So a lot of our popular resources and services are right on this page, whether you are updating your resume, cover letter, thinking about developing your competencies in interviewing or getting onto LinkedIn, but also then how to start to navigate the AI space when it comes to your job search too. So also, I would highly recommend checking out Affinity Group resources, as well as additional resources to help you with your job and search there. And then if you want to learn more about our staff, I just briefly introduced them today. But you click on us for a full bio, but also to connect with any of our career coaches. Like I said, you can do it in Handshake, but also through our email. And then over on the experiential learning side of things, any place you want me to click around here, Kevin?
Ours is very similar. We have our team on there. Contact our team. We're open to emails, drop in hours. Give us a call if you want to, but same idea there.
And then if you want to dig a little bit deeper into the process of how to start applying and searching and finding and earning academic credit for your internship, great information here too to start the process. So you'd go right over to the student information. You can make an appointment. They also have walk-ins. And then it really walks you through what you need to do. So there's a checklist and everything here to really make it easy to explore. I also wanted to point out too, because I assist in this process as well, is that there's funding available. So don't let that be a barrier for any type of experience, whether you are looking at an unpaid internship they want to get paid for. They are doing a lot with the SUNY incremental funding to support unpaid internships. The Feenberg Family Professional Fund, if you're going to conferences or have a certification exam or an entrance exam, apply for Feenberg Family Professional Fund. It's open to all majors. Great support, removing those barriers and able to continue on and meeting your goals and such too. And there's other funding sources to check out. Anything else you want to highlight here before I stop sharing?
We love paying our interns, so we love getting money where we can. So let us know how we can help you with that.
And then if you're looking outside of internships too, check out the service learning opportunities as well. There's a lot of great ways to get engaged while earning equity credit, whether it's 20 hours or 60 hours, there's something for everybody there too. And a great opportunity to start that process even before enrolling in internship or co-op too. So I'm gonna